Hey guys, it's J. Marie and this is our day 2 here in Taiwan. Today, we will be exploring Maokong and Taipei Zoo. From Taipei Main Station, ride Blue Lane to Songshao Pushing. Then, transfer tayo sa Brown Line and then baba tayo ng Taipei Zoo MRT Station. Go left to Maokong Gondola and go to Maokong Station. After securing your ticket for 300 NTD, pagsakay nyo ng gondola, baba kayo sa Sinan Temple. And sobrang ganda dito guys. Additional 50 NTD pala kapag nag-upgrade kayo into Crystal Cabin. Nag-upgrade kami kasi worth it yun. After nun, bumaba kami dito sa may Taipei Zoo South Station. From here, sumakay kami nitong train pababa. And then, nag-stop muna kami para kumain. And then, nag-sightseeing ng mga animals. Kung may mga kasama kayong bata, for sure magugustuhan nila to and may enjoy nila. Sa may Sinan Temple pala, may must try daw na ice cream, yung ulong tea. Kaya lang sadly, hindi siya available nung nagpunta kami. So, kung available, itry nyo na lang din and then inform me kung masarap. So, yun lang. Bye!